to my channel. Happy 2019. This is my first vlog of 2019 and I look crazy. My hair gets super curly out of the shower, so don't mind me. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse in here and try to make it look a little bit more prettier, more presentable. So today I am actually very excited because my little daughter, my little princess that you've seen in my last two videos, her name's Ellie. We are going to the pet store, and I heard that that's a good way to socialize your puppies. First, I need to make my bed. Everything else is pretty cleaned up-ish, sure, I guess. But I'm gonna do this cheesy little thing that YouTubers do with the... And voila, it's clean. This is my outfit of the day. Super simple, a zip-up, leggings, and I'm gonna wear my Steve Madden fluffy sandals because it's not really gonna be a productive day as I like it to be, but that's because I have work at 5 o'clock, so yeah. I know, guys, the green lace does not match with the pink. I am looking for a good collar. If you have any recommendations, please leave it down below. I really want like a cute collar so I can take cute pictures. She's trying to figure out the whole leash and harness thing. That was a hassle. She doesn't like car rides. I took her on a couple car rides before when she was a little bit littler than this. Maybe when she was about like 3 months old. Right now. Come. Hi, baby. Look.
You should go to the dog food and let her pick up.
Alrighty, guys. So lighting's bad. We just got done taking Ellie. She's a little bit crazy one, as you guys can see in the video. I didn't really get as much shots as I would like in the store, but we went to kind of like it's called Petco Unleashed, or Unleashed by Petco, and it's pretty small. It's not like as big as Petco, so I couldn't really get anything, and I just felt kind of weird recording in there. But yeah, she seemed to like it a little bit. She's still a puppy, so trying to get used to everything. But right now I'm gonna make, even though it's like 12 o'clock, right? Is it 12?
2.
It's 2. It's 2. I know it's like 2 o'clock, but I'm gonna make turkey bacon, eggs, maybe like French toast, or like toast and all that, you know, breakfast stuff. So let's get to it.
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
Came out. It looks delicious. Alrighty, guys, so this is the end of the video because I have work at 5 o'clock and I'm supposed to get ready right now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was probably a little bit boring to some of you, but it's a short clip to start off the new year of 2019. So there are gonna be plenty more fun vlogs. I have a lot in store and I'm so excited. of what 2019 is gonna bring me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.